Hi there, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome to your favorite entertainment program, Entertainment Daily, your ultimate go-to for your celebrity buzz and latest updates in your world of entertainment. Here at TVUCC, we give you nothing but the best. My name is Elijah Dan, so don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share this video. In today's stories, Dancegod receives brand new Toyota Land Cruiser. This is very huge. Congratulations to Dancegod. Moving on, Dr. Likee at Human Mobile Device Launch. Finally, Moliy shares favorite artists in Ghana. Stick with us and don't go anywhere. We would be right back. Welcome back from this break and let's delve deep into the details of these stories. Ghanaian popular dancer Dancegod was surprised with a brand new Toyota Land Cruiser last night, that is the 15th of April 2025. This car came from the CEO of Any Car GH, that is John Kofi Boateng. In a video shared by Ghanaian blogger GH Kweku, Dancegod's friends blindfolded him from where he was to the spot where the car was parked. As they got to where the car was parked, Dancegod's blindfold was removed, and there sparked a very big celebration because of his new ride. As the celebration continued to go on, the CEO of Any Car GH, John Kofi Boateng, presented the car to him, where Dancegod also showed appreciation for the car. Guys, so let's go watch the video.
So what is the problem? So we are celebrity. Let's go. Hold on. I'm making my emotion. Hold on. Let's go. Hold on. Your left. Yeah. Wait. Go. Catch it. Right. You are the reason why we know her. Come in my face. Yes. So relax. Okay. I've done something different. That makes you do makeup and yeah. She's right. Long life and prosperity. Border. Yeah, get ready to get the lights out. So wait, what's on here? Small. We have a gift for you. Okay. And it's in appreciation and recognition of your hard work. Wow. Now I want you to give a wild guess what it could be. Wild guess. Just one chance. Guess. Asana. Appreciation. Yes, we are appreciating you. For being Dancegod. For being Dancegod. Wild guess. Just one. 45 billion. All right, so you should open up some more. Open up. Now. Open up. Are you ready? And there's some people. Are you ready? Champagne for the pain. Yo, go. Come back. Maruna. Everybody should go back. That's our nice show. Sit down, sit down. That's good, that's good. Kaona. Wow.
It's just Kaona, exactly.
Let's have your comment on this particular video. Moving on, Human Mobile Device, the producers of Nokia, have launched their Human Mobile Device in Ghana. That's last night, the 15th of April 2025, at the Movenpick Ambassador Hotel. One of their guests was Ghanaian popular actor and also skit maker, Dr. Likee. Dr. Likee at the event entertained guests with his dance moves and also his funny speech. Guys, let's go watch the video.
With this phone, the phone battery can last. It's a good phone. So try to reach HMD from Nokia phone. It's a very good phone. Huh? So, yeah. Thank you for everybody. My name is Dr. Likee. You can call me Saint-James. You can call me Akabaneza. You can call. My name is Benjamin. So thank you for your wasting your time, for your coming. Thank you all for the lesson here. Thank you for everybody. God bless you.
Let's have your comment on this particular story as well. Moving on, let's go to the United States of America, where we have the Ghanaian American singer and also songwriter Moliy, known for her smash hit Shake It to the Max. Currently, Shake It to the Max is one of the world's popular songs and it is making waves in different parts of the world. Moliy, in the conversation with content creator Isaac Likes, highlights the best of places and things she enjoys about the capital of Ghana, that is Accra. During the conversation, she mentioned her best of foods, restaurants, bars, among other things that she enjoys when she is in Accra, the capital of Ghana. She also mentioned some of the artists in Ghana that the world needs to know about. She was very particular about the females because she believes the females have not been given their flowers or the females have not been put out there as she expected. So she mentioned Likee and Zola, who are actually twins and are doing music. She also mentioned Annabelle Rose, and finally, one male, that is Kojo Black. Guys, let's go watch the video.
What is the best neighborhood in Accra?
I would say Osu. You're gonna find a lot of like food spots, you're gonna find clubbing spots, bars.
Best restaurants?
I like Honeysuckle. They're kind of styled like a London pub. They never miss with their wings.
And what about if we want to eat local Ghanaian food?
This place called Mangoes in East Legon. Their menu is good and their portions are good as well.
Can you talk me through a little bit of the traditional Ghanaian food that we need to try?
All of it. Fufu, like when I was growing up, that was my favorite. It's like pounded plantain and cassava, and you don't chew it, you swallow.
I gotta try it. Okay, what about best bar?
Republic. It's pretty old. They have a signature drink that's really nice.
What about best place to go dancing?
Yeah, I think somewhere like the Ali Bar.
And can you shout out any other Ghanaian artists that we need to know about right now?
Absolutely. I'm gonna shout out the females because we deserve the love. We have Lali and Lola. They're twins and they're singers and dancers. Annabelle Rose. She's really cool. Alte pop singer. Okay, I will shout out a guy. Do you know Kojo Black?
Can you teach me any local slang?
You know, if you go to Ghana, right, and you feel like they're saying something negative about you, just shock them. Say kwasia.
Kwasia?
Kwasia.
Kwasia?
Kwasia.
Kwasia?
Yes! It's a bad word.
You're having this like huge moment right now.
Yeah.
What is the most diva / rock star thing about you right now?
Have you seen my nails? But I didn't used to wear them this long.
As the fame gets bigger, the nails grow longer.
Exactly.
That will be all for today. My name is Elijah Daso. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and share this video. Have a nice day.